Welcome back to Techie Dialogue. In this video, I'll show you how to leave a Google review or even add a new business or place so you can share your experience and help businesses grow. Step 1. Open Google Search and look for the business or the location you want to review. Make sure the correct business or location appears on the right side of the search results, usually in the Google Business profile. Step 2. Scroll down in the profile until you see the Reviews section. Click on ADD a review, and if prompted, sign into your Google account, because reviews can only be posted when you are logged in. Step 3. Choose your star rating by clicking on the number of stars you want to give, with 5 stars being the highest. This rating helps other users quickly understand your overall experience with the business. Step 4. Type your review by sharing honest details about your experience, such as service quality or professionalism. You can also add photos or videos if you want, then click Post to publish your review. Thanks for watching Techie Dialogue. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials.